Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
When you go to the beach or you're sitting outside, do you have a nice place to put your drinks and your snacks? Well, AMMSUN has made it so easy. They have this table tray that attaches to your beach umbrella and it takes seconds to add on. It has 4 cup holders and 4 little snack places, and it has been so convenient whether we're at the beach or we're at the park and I set up a little area for me just to have a nice relaxing morning. It has a nice place where next to my chair I have my drink, I have my snacks, and I have my book. It comes in a really nice carrying case so it's easy to carry around, and I love that there are drain holes in the bottom. So if it's somewhere where you leave it outside, maybe in your yard, you don't have to worry about water collecting in it. They're just going to drain out. It's especially nice at the beach because our food and drinks were always getting sand on them, and that is such an awful feeling. But with this, we have nice places for all of us to put our drinks and our snacks. It's made of a really nice high quality plastic, and so you don't have to worry about the sun running it or making it dry out and get cracked.
But that's just my point of view.